Welcome back to Biologic Health. Today, we're talking about a question millions of people ask every single winter. How do you get rid of a cold fast? Whether you're in the USA, Europe, or anywhere with cold weather, this video will help you recover faster using safe, doctor-approved, science-backed methods. Stay with me till the end, because some of these tips can shorten your cold by 1-2 days. And before we begin, for more important health advice like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Number 1. Understand what a cold really is. Common cold is caused by viruses, mostly rhinoviruses. Doctors in the USA and Europe emphasize that antibiotics do not cure colds because colds are viral. Most colds last 3-7 days, but symptoms can improve faster with supportive care. Quick recovery depends on how well you support your immune system. Number 2. Start hydrating immediately. One of the fastest ways to feel better is hydration. Doctors recommend warm water, herbal teas, broths, or clear soups. Electrolytes if you're dehydrated. It works. Hydration keeps your throat moist, reduces irritation, helps loosen mucus, and supports your immune system. Avoid alcohol and excess caffeine. They slow down recovery. Number 3. Boost your immune system with vitamin C and zinc. Doctor recommended. According to USA and European clinical guidelines, vitamin C can slightly reduce the duration of colds when taken regularly. Zinc lozenges may shorten cold duration if taken within 24 hours of symptoms, but do not take excessive amounts. Safe amounts: vitamin C, 500-1000 mg per day, zinc, 15-25 mg per day. Always follow your doctor's advice if you're pregnant, taking medication, or have health issues. Number 4. Rest more than you think you need. This is one of the most underrated recovery methods. When you sleep, your body produces immune cells and antibodies that fight the cold virus. Aim for 8-10 hours of sleep. A short nap during the day if possible. Avoid heavy exercise until you feel better. Number 5. Use steam and humidity to clear congestion. Doctors and respiratory specialists often recommend steaming to ease blocked noses and chest congestion. At home, you can use a warm shower, a bowl of hot water with steam, a humidifier, great for USA and Europe dry winter air. This helps loosen mucus and makes breathing easier. Number 6. Honey works better than many cough syrups, scientifically proven. A major study from Europe found that honey can reduce coughing more effectively than some over-the-counter cough syrups. Take 1 teaspoon of pure honey before bed, but never give honey to children under 1 year old. Number 7. Warm salt water gargle. Classic doctor tip. This simple method works extremely well for sore throats. Gargle with 1-2 teaspoons salt mixed in warm water. It reduces swelling, irritation, and bacteria in the throat.
Number 8. Eat foods that fight viruses naturally. Your body needs fuel to recover. USA-Europe doctors recommend foods that reduce inflammation and support immunity. Chicken, sapchinger, garakrist, fruits, berry, estroli, green soats. Avoid sugary foods, they weaken immunity. Number 9. Decongestants and OTC remedies. Safe options. If your symptoms are severe, doctors recommend over-the-counter options like nasal saline spray, decongestant sprays, short-term use only, acetaminophen or ibuprofen for headache or fever, antihistamines for runny nose. Always read labels carefully and follow safe limits. Number 10. Avoid these common mistakes people often unknowingly make their cold worse by not drinking enough water, staying up late, taking antibiotics unnecessarily, eating junk food, exposing themselves to cold outdoor air without protection. Avoid these to recover faster. Number 11. When to see a doctor. Seek medical attention if you have fever lasting more than 3 days, difficulty breathing, severe ear pain or sinus pain, symptoms lasting longer than 10 days, you have asthma, severe allergies, or chronic conditions. Your health always comes first. Ending message. Thank you for watching. Remember, most colds get better within a few days, but the right care can help you recover much faster. For more important health advice like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel.